Hello everyone, our today's topic is spray painting. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, cutter, poster colors, brushes, toothbrush, masking tape, palette, circular bowl, 1/4 size drawing paper, 1/4 size black tinted paper. First we stick the black tinted paper with the masking tape from all the four sides. Then we are going to take some drawing paper. With the help of the circular bowl, we draw on one big circle with the pencil, and then we are going to draw on a landscape scenery here what we required. Very simple scenery we are going to draw here. One house, then shade and some grass. Simple drawing we are going to draw here, which we are easily cut and use it for the our spray painting. Don't draw any difficult drawing or more details in drawing which is difficult to cut. Now here we are going to draw some fence or the barriers, and we are very much simplify this drawing so that it's easier to cut. Now I am going to draw some grass here, simple grass, and then also we showing some trees also. I am showing here one coconut tree. This is our tree. Generally drawing should be light, but because we don't want to color this drawing, that's why I draw a dark, because finally we are going to cut this drawing, so we don't want to color this drawing. We directly use a spray technique to show the coloring technique. So if you want to change your drawing, or if you want to make a different scenery, you can draw with your comfortable. This is our drawing. Now we are going to first cut on a circle part, which is we are going to show here a sun with the cutter. You can place on a paper with your comfortable, or you can move it with your comfortable while cutting on a drawing. This is our circle. Now we are going to place it properly on the paper. Now whatever color we required for this sun, we are going to take like yellow, orange colors we are going to take here. Some light yellow we required, for that we add some white color also, and simply we are going to take this color in a toothbrush and we spray it on the surface. But you need to hold the paper properly, don't move it. As well as while spraying on a color, if you spray it from the far, you get on a small dots. If you spray from the near, you get on a big dots. So that is also the variety you can make here. Now this remaining scenery part, like tree, house, grass, barriers, everything we are going to cut it, and only the sky part we keep it blank so that we can use this for the coloring. Now this also we are going to place it properly, and on this sun part we put this paper circle, so that now this remaining part we are going to color with the different color schemes like blue, violet, and dark blue shades, so that we can show this is on a sunrise scenery. Also we add some red color for showing on a violet color scheme. I hope you understand these demonstrations. You can make any drawing with the help of this spray painting technique. So keep practicing, and now this is our final drawing. Thank you. Best of luck.